I just want to tell you that in crown and brick preparation, whether it's all metal, ceram, it's not the argument here what you are going to give. It is your preparation. If you have a good concept of the preparation, there are only two things. It is so simple crown preparation. That's why I said we can make it in 15 minutes. That if you produce ideal shoulder or chamfer, your crown will sit like we call it a pitch button. Without cement, it is so difficult to take it out. We use two explorers to take it out when we try in the ground because of the margin. The rest of the surface, I mean, forgettable. But if you do that, that will be ideal really. But if your margin is good, that is fine. Now please try to understand, I am giving this ideal preparation on the dentoform, on the phantom head. In the clinical practice, you will find different situations, all various stones, crown is gone, and then you have to use your, you may have to do the root canal, you may have to do the core, the post and the core build-up, but the aim is that finally you should have a tooth artificially prepared with a composite or whatever the material, and then you prepare that tooth ideally. Usually, I always make a little joke that in certain countries, obviously not in your country, I mean I've seen. So when you buy a bread, the bread which is all one piece. So usually what we do, that preparation of crown is just cut two pieces, remove the cap and put, I will as a joke I'm saying Vietnamese cap on that and the crown is prepared, in certain. So it's not. You have to prepare a brutal surface, you have to prepare. So this is what I want, that if you take my message, even for one surface, please, so follow that and use those words which I am recommending. You will enjoy. Your life will be so easy and you will prepare even in patient's mouth very quickly. So these are different steps.
Ngay cả với cái concept chụp hoàn hảo giống như cái hình ở trên bảng đây thì chúng ta cũng có thể sửa soạn nó và chúng ta biết cách.
Okay, so usually I do an interactive type of lecture. I ask audience, since the time is very less and I have to sort my lecture. So maybe tomorrow when I'm doing it 2 hours, I think, for my preparation, I can tell you and I can show different. And I want to see the preparations. I've seen some of them, and I really give salute to everybody who has prepared. I'm not taking out anybody's mistakes. We will improve. I want that we should improve our preparation. So usually it is. I know you are not doing here. Occlusal is just like this, but it's just 1 mm bust, depending whatever you are preparing. If it is a PFM, portion piece to metal or all ceram, but 1 mm diameter bar with a round end, I don't know how to go there, but you can see that, is more than enough. You can increase it by when you are finishing it. But if you will use 2 mm or 1.5 mm in the beginning, you are overcutting when you are finishing. So start from 1.5 is the ideal. So follow the anatomy of the tooth. That is the key. Second key, after the margin, follow the anatomy of the tooth. That means don't flatten it out. Wherever there is a groove and cusp, maintain the cusp. You are just reducing the occlusal, the surface that you bite and check. It should be 1 mm. I have shown the next step. So, and the burr. This is the tooth, and the orientation of the burr is very important. This is the groove. If you will just lift the burr like this, it will wrong. If you make like this, wrong. Just put in the groove and cut one time, few and finish. Don't take it out and up and down, otherwise you will widen that groove. So then go to the next groove, same, then third groove. I'm talking about the molar. If it is premolar, you can adjust. And then on the lingual, and then follow the anatomy. From that groove, take the burr Maintain the cusp, don't flatten out the cusp. That is more
cái
important.
bề mặt
Follow.
của cái răng. Nó gọi
Then
cái
you will
bề mặt
find
của cái răng
the
và
same reduction, same NIP, but it's a reduced dose. Those are the chisels, but it's not really necessary in clinical practice. But these are for the exams in Canada and US. That they use 1 millimeter chisel and just put the chisel in that groove, and you should not see should dip. That means you have already cut 1 millimeter. You are not going beyond. And the beauty of this burr is that it will not dip more than 1. It will stop cutting, and it will generate heat, it's not going to cut
cái
anymore.
xi sao nó nhấp sâu hơn trong bề mặt răng thì chúng ta không được mài nữa. Rồi chúng ta mài quá 1 mm rồi.
Just to, when you are doing in clinical practice, really you have an idea that you have already cut 1 millimeter or 1.5, but you can use as a student utility wax and ask the patient to bite on it, and wherever you see this translucency, it means you still need to, it is resisting, it's not coming out, you have to reduce a little bit more. This is just a test.
Mài đủ chưa nữa chúng ta vẫn thấy những cái hình nó bị
Okay, now this is occlusal surface is finished, and I think when you are used to it in your dental form, in your lab, it should not take 5 minutes. Believe me, tomorrow I will going to show you, and I will ask everybody to do it. Please don't be shy. There's no exam, no number, nothing. Be frank, be friendly, and I will come to everybody and see how they are going at it. I will hold your hand and I will prepare myself. Now coming to the buccal surface. Okay, usually what we do, and I've been doing, frankly, I will admit when we qualified, the buccal surface we just cut in one go. So no, there is a functional cusp level that gives retention and everything. So in the lower, in the mandible teeth, it is always buccal. I think this is theoretically you know that. And on the maxillary, it is always palatal, or you can say lingual surfaces. Where you have to create the functional cusp level. That means you are not cutting the whole buccal surface. Now you will take the same part. The beauty of this part, you are using it for most of the preparation. You don't have to change it and you don't have to waste the time. So taking the part, you have already prepared the occlusal surface beautifully. Now this is the whole buccal surface. Don't cut it like this whole. Forget about 2/3 of the tooth, and this cusp from the occlusal to the buccal, make 3 grooves at 45-degree angle. Your bulb will go like this 3, and then flatten it out. It will create a beautiful functional cusp, and giving the bevel.
Cái mặt ngoài của cái mũi chịu chúng ta sẽ tạo ra một cái hình dạng rất là đẹp cho cái bề mặt ngoài của cái mũi chịu này.
Now, I was here, I have been to many countries. This bird is not really available. I don't know what, and I'm not imposing anything on you. You have very good professors. Whatever is their method, you can follow that. Our aim is that there should be a minimum discomfort to the patient, and in a minimum time, you should do your crown preparation.
Tuy nhiên thì đôi khi là chúng ta cần phải, chúng ta là sinh viên, chúng ta cũng phải tự mài cái
It's
chữ.
going on. Something does not allowing me to. Okay. So the bird is called torpedo bird. Its shape is like torpedo. You know that the fighting in the military and this, they have a torpedo bird. In certain places when I introduced that bird, they put the bird name as Dr. Mudi's bird. I said, no, please don't put my name. It's the bird name is a torpedo bird. It's such a beautiful bird that it will automatically create the chamfer. It's not a magic, but you will see, tomorrow that how I create that. So take it, this torpedo bird, and on the remaining buccal surface, let's forget about now the occlusal level, don't touch. Now look at the level of gingiva. You just put there, and there is no need of any orientation groove. Just
đến lúc
turn
này
it
chúng ta
few
sẽ phải
times
quan tâm
and
đến
you will see
cái
that
hướng của cái
chamfer is created
cái
here.
rãnh
Now there
đường
is an
chúng ta
argument,
dùng cái mũi
should
torpedo
we
này
go
vào ngoài cái
below the
mặt
gingiva or above the gingiva? I will not go. The professor can tell you why. But I say only one word about dentistry and the dentist. We are the one, and I think if there is a periodontologist here, they will agree to me that
tôi nghĩ là trong
there
một
is
số
no
các bạn ở đây
periodontal
có
problem
một
in
số người là
patient's
bác sĩ nha
mouth
Chu
before we
và
do any treatment like crowns or the fillings, possible fillings. But unfortunately, we are the one who create periodontal problem because of the bad margins, because of the fillings which are overhang or underhang. So the proximal surface, to create the proximal surfaces of whether it's crown or filling is an art, and that you have to learn, and you should be after your teachers. They are going to tell you how to do that. Okay, so this part we will torpedo
bây giờ
part
hãy
we
quay
will
lại
use
với
that.
cái mũi khoan này, cái mũi khoan này là mũi torpedo.
So it is going to produce a definite chamfer finish line.
Và cái mũi torpedo này
So
nó sẽ
I
tạo ra
know
cái
the picture you can't take, but tomorrow you are going to see that this bird has
chắc là ngày mai
created
các
the
bạn có thể
definite
làm được cái này không?
chamfer.
Các bạn sẽ được chứng kiến là khi chúng ta dùng cái mũi torpedo này để tạo ra
Okay.
cái mũi để
Now you are going to use the same bird on the lingual side. Now the lingual tooth has a little inclination. You are not going to produce the margin very conspicuous like buckle, but they should be. So you will just do one cutting at the level of the gingiva, and this bird will create the chamfer, right? So now the another thing is that
và sau đó
they are, and I'm sure you are also here as professors, when you are preparing, and if you will touch the next tooth, we call it nicking of the tooth, you are failed, you know. And the examiners there are very, very difficult, and they take out the tooth from the dental form and with the surgical loops, they see the next teeth, you know, at 20 teeth, and it is an exam and or whatever, they always nick the next tooth. To avoid that, this step is very, very important. Usually people, they just take these plane-shaped bar and they just start cutting in between, and either they converge the tooth too much or they touch the next tooth. Am I right, doctor? Sometimes that happens, right? So,
tuy nhiên thì các bạn biết là chúng ta là bác sĩ thì đôi khi là cái việc đấy nó có thể ra.
okay, so I like this slide,
Tôi rất là thích cái
the
slide
bottom
này.
one too much,
Cái
because when
thứ hai
you are
cái
cutting,
phía
take
dưới các bạn biết
the ball to the, still you are quite away from the next tooth.
thì chúng ta sẽ
And
phải
ultimately
cái
you
phần
will
mà tiếp khác
create this
răng
bulb
để cắt.
of the tooth, just leave it there
Và chúng ta cứ
for
để
the time
đấy
being.
lên khi mà chúng ta sử dụng mặt ngoài và trong cái phần
Now, using the plane-shaped bulb, you will remove that bulb. Try not to converge too much, otherwise it will be a barrel shape. And just try to remain, you know, parallel. But when you are finishing with the finishing bulb, you can do a little convergence from when you see from occlusally. And once the space is created by removing that bulb, you are quite away from the next teeth, the proximal teeth, the adjoining teeth. Then use the same torpedo bulb which you have created on the buccal and the lingual, and using this bulb now you have already created space, it will pass easily, and use this torpedo bulb to continue your chamfer line.
để tiếp tục tạo nên cái đường hoàn tất bờ vai chéo.
So it's all your choice. You want to keep it straight or laying down, it's all wherever you are comfortable. But keep in mind, you should not converge, you should not make the next stroke.
Và mài nó song song, một mài nó hơi một tùng cái tơ tùy lựa
Starting
chọn
with
của
the
các bạn.
same shape part, the thin part.
Tuy nhiên là chúng ta nhớ là chúng ta hãy chọn những cái mũi ngọn lửa và cái mũi này nó phải là
Okay, this is the area really. I mean,
đây là
the
cái
examiner they fail badly. Many people. I mean, this is the area where either we do overcutting or undercutting. So,
đây là cái phần
I mean, you,
mặt bên
if
sau khi
you
mài
use
với
this
cái mũi
bar,
ngọn lửa đấy.
it will be smoothly made, and the
Cái
surface
là
will
nó
be
không có
just that one side you are seeing, other side we are just reading. And take care not to incline bird during this step of preparation, as I said earlier.
Sau đó chúng ta sẽ sử dụng cái mũi torpedo để
Same
tạo lại cái
process on
đường
the other side.
hoàn tất ở phía mặt bên.
I think I'm not too fast because I know the time
Tôi không có nói nhanh quá.
is restricted. Now you can use finishing work, but really clinical practice you don't need this bird. But for the dental form, yes, you may need to finish it.
Tôi
After
sẽ,
that,
chúng ta sẽ phải dùng cái mũi này để
just
hoàn thiện.
use the same shampoo bird and we call it a torpedo bird
Và cái này
and
nó cũng
finishing
là
all the
một cái
surfaces.
mũi torpedo, tuy nhiên nó được làm bằng carbon.
This is another step. I think I was questioned by one of
Ở
the
đây là cái bước
professors in
đầu
the
tiên.
department. How in the mouth you can see, because the best part is in the dental form, when you are prepared,
Đây là cái
you
hình
close
dạng
your
tốt
eye
nhất
and see the
mà các bạn có
preparation.
thể
The
làm
tip
cái
is
sự
that
soạn.
if you can see
Nếu như
all
các bạn có thể
all
nhìn thấy
the
toàn bộ cái
margins
đường
equally, your preparation
với
is
cái tư
good.
thế như thế này
But
thì đây là một
if
cái
you
sửa
can
soạn rất là tốt.
see that somewhere you cannot see, it
Nếu
means
như
you
mà
need more
không nhìn thấy một chỗ
preparation. You have to reduce the
thì
load.
cái chỗ đấy
That
là cái
is
chỗ
more
mà bị lệch, thì
important.
bạn sẽ phải mài thêm
And then
ở cái vị trí
in the
đấy.
clinically you can use mirror and you have to see indirectly.
Trên phòng
I
tập
mean,
nhà thì bạn có
another
thể
thing
dùng
is
bước
the
bạn có thể
exam
nhìn trực
there,
tiếp cái
they
hình
never
trực
allow
tiếp để kiểm
the
tra.
patient is like this and you do like this. No, they will say you have to go indirectly through the mirror.
Các bạn sẽ, nếu như mà cái tư thế nhìn nó khó
In any preparation, not only
các
drawing,
bạn sẽ phải nhìn qua gương.
Okay, this is a little extra step if you want for, I mean, if that preparation is good even in the clinic, with the patient small, you don't need this step for making a sitting room.
Nếu mà
This is
nếu như
sometimes
mà
examiner asks how to prepare the sitting room.
thì chúng ta không cần phải tạo những cái đường là đường lưu, là đường
So
sitting
this
room như
is
thế này.
the completed preparation of full period crown.
Hình dưới đây chính là hình mà
So this
chúng ta
is
hoàn
the
tất
one,
cái
and
việc
I have the PFM also. I don't know if the time is permitted or should I stop here, and I can show it tomorrow. You know, the
Tôi
portion
biết là bây giờ
is
thì
better
tôi nên tiếp tục
where
hay là tôi sẽ
we create the shoulder.
dành phần cho cái hand
How
on
to
này.
create the shoulder
Tuy nhiên thì tôi
is
cũng nhắc
also
lại
a
là
very easy
khi mà
task.
chúng ta làm cách nào để chúng ta
It's all up to you.
hoàn tất.
If you want me or
Nó rất
I
là dễ.
can finish here,
Tôi
whatever
có
the
đem
time
phần
is.
còn
I
ở đây
don't
không ạ?
know.
Bây giờ là mấy giờ rồi ạ?
Finish? Continue? Still time.
Chúng ta nên
Take the
dừng lại khi
position
mà
of the
chúng ta tiếp tục làm.
bean and there are two beans I recognize them. Will I continue?
Các bạn có muốn tôi tiếp tục không? Hay chúng ta nên dừng lại đây ạ?
I can continue. Thank you. So after we proceed now to the next group.
Bây giờ thì tôi sẽ chuyển sang cái mục tiếp theo. Giờ tôi sẽ chuyển sang cái slide nói về VFM.
Okay, before I go for this PFM, I just will show you a little. This is the history that they use these filling materials and nowadays we are not using it. I think I opened the wrong one.
Tôi nghĩ là tôi mở sai cái slide.
So this is for the PFM prosthetic metal crown. I mean there the concept is of the shoulder and Stanford. Both are created for this. And in the exams, I'm sure here you also do that. You take a putty impression, even you can take a putty impression for your full metal crown as well, for learning purposes only. And so when you take putty, you can make indexes for the buckle, to check the buckle preparation and for the proximal preparation. So occlusal reduction is almost the same which we did for the full metal. Here only the cusps are less, there are not 3 cusps. It's almost the same. I just want to show you, and then since this is the upper tooth, we are using making the functional cusp bevel on the palatal side, using the same technique, 45 degree from the occlusal to the lingual surface. Yeah, this part I just want to tell. I mean, like the full metal crown. Oh, I don't know what is happening here. Like in the full metal crown, we or full ceram, we just used to cut the whole surface. But here, you have to make orientation groove on the buccal surface. So divide the tooth into, in your imagination, half of the gingival and half of the incisor. So you will just keep the bar and just make 3 orientation groups, just bring them together. And the important step is at the gingival level to create the shoulder. So you will be using the flat end bar. I mean, there are only 3 or 4 bars. As I said, the bar is not now rounded here, it's just a flat. So with that flat bar, the shoulder is automatically created. I mean, I know we have been using end cutting bars, and okay, even in that other preparation, finally you will take the explorer and check if the margins, if there is any obstruction, it means there is something wrong. So you can use this. Does not allow you. I think you have, I mean, it will take only 5 minutes. So you should be there here. Yeah. 5 minutes. No, I will take 5 minutes to go. Yeah, yeah.
Dùng các cái mũi mà
So this is
đầu bằng
facial reduction.
và cắt một đường đều ở mặt ngoài.
Once the facial reduction is completed, you can see in that bird, the shoulder is created by itself. Provided your orientation of the bird is correct. I mean, you place the bird nicely with the surface. And for
Nếu mà chúng ta làm
the proximal, you are going to
chúng ta
use
để
the same
cái
bird,
mũi khoan
which is a
đúng
plain shape bird.
thì chúng ta sẽ tạo được cái hoàn tất rất là đều đặn.
On the other side,
Mặt trong
now the same torpedo bird to create the
mặt
chamfer
trong
now.
thì là
If
để
we create it on the
tạo
full
biểu
metal
hiện
ground,
chamfer
that
bằng
will
mũi
be on the
torpedo
equal side. So same technique
cũng kết
you
hợp tương
use
tự.
here, you are using here.
Và
Talking about these wings, in the board exam they say, okay, you have to create the wings for extra retention. But in clinical practice, just forget it. The most important is when you are bringing the shoulder to the chamfer, when you are meeting it, it should be not buckly placed. Otherwise, your final crown will be like a flattened crown. You have not a good anatomy of the.
chú ý khi mà chúng ta cái bờ ngoài là bờ vai và bờ trong là bờ chamfer, bờ nghiêng, thì khi mà cái phần tiếp xúc của nó thì tiếp xúc của hai đường đó thì nó phải nằm
At the end, you have to remove all the sharp edges.
lập về phía trong và
So you can use the Sometimes they say, okay, we need extra gingival bevel, you can put that gingival bevel on.
Đôi khi
But
thì
in
là
clinical practice, you don't need that.
đôi khi thì người ta nói là cần phải làm cái
This
độ
is again
nghiêng
for the
vát của
board.
bờ vai,
You
nhưng
will
thực ra
take
không
1
cần thiết.
millimeter chisel and just put it around, or you can take paleo probe which are marked as 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and check from all sides it should be 1 millimeter. If it is
Đây là cái
less,
thước để
you
đo
have to
cái độ
reduce
dày
the
của bờ vai xem nó đủ 1 mm chưa, và
yeah, this is the gingival
sử
bevel
dụng
which I said
cái
before.
nạo bằng tay để làm sạch các cái bờ men, vì rìa men còn sót lại.
Yeah, those putties now you can see that this was the benefit
Và
of
khi mà lấy
you know, the putties,
giáp để giấu sơ
putties
thử
showing
vào
your
thì
preparation
chúng ta có thể thấy
from all surfaces.
rằng là tất cả các bề mặt
I
đều
think
được,
I was very good.
các cái bề mặt đều được giảm một cách rất là đều đặn.
So any question, but they should be practical question, not the theories.
Bây giờ có ai hỏi câu hỏi đúng không ạ? Những câu hỏi mà mang tính lâm sàng ạ, chứ đừng hỏi những câu mà mang tính học thuật. Vâng, xin cảm ơn ạ.
Thầy con là thầy trình bày cái sự phản hồi răng trên cái bài slide là cái là phần nguyên vẹn. Trên thực tế lâm sàng cái răng mà cần có mảng bỏng, thường là chúng ta đồng ý và thực thể răng nó không còn nguyên vẹn như thế nữa. Cái thực thể mặt nhai là cũng không được, còn cái thực thể là khấu như thế nữa là thậm chí là cái cổ răng nó bị mòn thì có những trường hợp đấy thì mình lên theo cái hướng như nào, không cần phải phục chỉnh lại xong lại như nào đó.
Has a question for you is in some case the tooth structure is not normal. Example, cervical corrosion and the occlusal is not.
Yeah, I understand. Rest I understood. This is what in the beginning I said that in the clinical, I think if a clinician is a practitioner, it's a very good question. You will not find anything ideal. Now, as you said, Korean, the caries, you want to ask about the case. You have to, before you prepare your crown,
Ở trên lớp
you
sau
have
các
to
ca
remove
đều
all
không
the
có
caries.
hình dạng mà tối ưu nhất.
You have to view the X-rays. I mean, check how deep is the case. Do you need an endo root canal? If the endo is done, then you need
Chúng ta phải
after
check cái
that
X-quang
pose and build a core
xem
and
cái
bring
điều
the
chỉnh
core
độ nhai có tốt
to
không
the
so
same
với
shape
gastric tooth.
of the tooth, which is like an anatomy. And then cut the tooth like this.
Sau
If
chúng
I
ta
answer,
phải build up lại
that is
cái răng hình hình đẹp.
bad. You cannot prepare the root. You have to create the root. You know, by removing
Nếu
the
cái răng nó quá
caries,
phẳng, chúng ta phải tái tạo lại cái răng đấy.
near to the pulp, you have to do the root canal. You have to plan it before you make down.
Chúng ta phải lập một kế hoạch ngay trước khi
The last thing, and mostly I mean, from the beyond I mean like this, that whenever you make it down, do the endo, root canal, you must give a crown. It is a crime in Canada or North America if you don't advise people not to make it. You know, otherwise you will be sued by the lawyers and college will take, the Royal College will take action on you. So you have to plan before you do your crown.
Vì thế là trước khi mà làm cái crown chúng ta phải lên kế hoạch trước.
Okay?
Okay. Câu hỏi đúng không? Câu hỏi đúng không ạ? No question.
Thank you. I'm very happy to I can answer any clinical and whosoever is attending, I mean, I can answer all the questions.
We have some data for you.
You people are gift for me. I mean, such nicely, your this team